A visit to the zoo. Last Sunday we decided to visit the zoo. My parents were with me. We left for the zoo at 12:15 in the afternoon. We reached there at 1 p.m. We bought ticket to enter the zoo. It was a very beautiful place. There were different type of birds and animal in colorful cages. As we move ahead, we saw a pond in which duck were swimming. My father guided me to where elephant was kept. I was a very happy that day. Early to bed and early to rise make a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Morning walk is good for health. I get up early in the morning. I say my prayer and go to a park. The park is full of people. I exercise there. The morning breeze is very refreshing. I take a long breaths. The green grass and trees look very beautiful. I enjoy the bird chirping in the trees. Then I came back home. I take my breakfast. I change my cloth and go to school. Morning walk keeps me active and fresh throughout the day. Thanks for watch this video. Please help me to click subscribe on my YouTube channel, like, share, comment on my video to see daily uploading. Good luck and have a nice day.